In this video, I'll show you how to create professional-looking videos with Kling AI step by step. First, decide what type of video you want to create. Whether it's a cinematic scene, product video, YouTube content, advertisement, or social media video, start with a clear idea and simple visual plan. Next, open Kling AI and create a new video project. Choose text to video if you want to generate a scene from a written prompt, or use image to video when you already have a visual reference. When writing your prompt, describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and overall style. Avoid vague instructions and focus on details that actually affect the scene. For example, instead of writing a professional product video, describe a premium watch displayed on a clean studio surface, soft directional lighting, realistic reflections, shallow depth of field, and a slow cinematic camera movement around the product. Camera movement is especially important for a professional look. Use controlled movements such as slow push-ins, smooth tracking shots, gentle pans, or gradual pullbacks. Lighting also makes a major difference. Depending on your project, you can describe natural daylight, soft studio lighting, dramatic shadows, or cinematic evening light. After generating the video, preview it carefully. Check the subject, movement, camera stability, background, lighting, and overall consistency. If something looks incorrect, don't change the entire prompt immediately. Identify the specific problem and adjust that part, then generate another version and compare the results. For larger projects, create multiple short clips instead of trying to generate everything in one generation. This gives you better control over individual scenes and makes editing easier. You can then combine your clips in a video editor and add voiceover, music, sound effects, captions, transitions, or branding. Finally, watch the complete video and make sure every scene supports your main idea and looks consistent. With clear planning, detailed prompts, controlled motion, and careful editing, you can use Kling AI to create polished and professional-looking video content. And that's how you can create professional videos